Morning, our Honorable Director Sir, as well as all the students who are present here. Today I am standing here in front of you to share a very wonderful news, good news with you, and that is we have had 100% pass results in our MP 2024. So on that note, I would like to congratulate all the students who are already present here, who are attending classes in class 11. And also, I'd like to offer my gratitude to all the dedicated teachers for their hard work and their relentless efforts in trying to take out the best in the children and helping them and guiding them to achieve success. See, children, success is not actually about, it's not an accident. Success doesn't happen by accident. You may win a lottery by luck or by accident, but I have not met any single person till now who have achieved a success without hard work. So success is a result of continuous effort from your side and giving up, as well as sacrificing many of the things that you would like to do instead of doing that, instead of studying. So a lot of sacrifice, hard work, a lot of sweat goes into attaining success. So I want to tell you that the topper of West Bengal board is somebody who is very near to Jaigaon, that is in Kuch Bihar. The student scored 99%. 99%, the topper of West Bengal board. So that student is a small boy, just like you. Young boy who's attending classes just like you. The same amount of brain, the same amount of, whatever he has, you also have. So you can also be a topper. Our students can also produce those toppers who can get 90 and above. So you can be one of them. So on this note, I'd like to tell all the children to study, to continue to study and put your effort right from now onwards, so that the fruit that you get at the end will make you very happy. So I wish to congratulate everyone, and please do not expect a holiday, because this month we have already had plenty of holidays due to the elections. 5 extra days and Ram Navami and many other holidays were there. So our holiday, or you can say what we should do in order to celebrate, is that we should put extra effort in our classes. Extra effort from both the teacher's side as well as from your side. Take every test seriously, every exam seriously, as if you are appearing for your board exam. So you should start that. You should finish what you have started. You have come to this school to get a good result, to pass MP properly. So you should strive towards it. You should persevere towards it. So thank you everyone. Thank you all the teachers. Thank you to everyone here, as well as you can tell your parents that I'm thanking them for their cooperation also. So with that note, I want to tell all of you to please applaud and clap your hands for all the students, for the whole school in fact. So kudos, hats off, and congratulations once again. Thank you.